Hello everyone, Nasir here. This video is going to be about gold. It's just a follow-on on my last analysis that I did where gold reached 2000, and in my analysis I was talking about how gold is very near to dropping. I also mentioned that it could potentially do a new high before the big fall. So I just wanted to make another video just to follow on from that because the situation has changed quite a bit. Gold has reached as high as 2070-ish, and I'm not happy with that. Actually, I'm not happy with that, the fact that it's gone to 2070 and it's just pulled back. I really wanted to see this make a new high and then pull back actually. So what I am looking at is, if I just zoom in, I'm looking for signals for gold to keep rising further. Oops, let's go to 4 hours. So we've got a few trends going on here. I'm expecting this intermediate trend to hold itself actually, and gold sort of push back up here. If I go into my 1 hour chart, I can see a little bit more detail where gold hit around 2070 and just suddenly just started dropping. And then we've got a push back up and a retest, I think, here. So we should be seeing gold most likely heading back towards 2070, possibly around 2100, before showing any signs of coming back down. And that should set a new high. And from there on, I'd be happy to look at the short that I originally talked about in my last video. So before going for that big short, be wary that there's a very high probability of gold going up to around 2100. So that's a nice big long opportunity here. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.